Today I want to test out a chemical-free way to get these spots of rust off my chasing hammer, because you can end up with a little bit of transference onto your metal, and when I'm working with like precious metal like silver, it's not really great. Okay, so I've got some sanding paper here. It's quite a fine grain. Yeah, I don't know what grain it is. I just had it in my cupboard. So let's give it a go. A little bit's coming off. Oh yeah, it's definitely working. Let's keep going. Oh, come on. That is looking better already. Just need these angles. What do we think? It's looking good. Yeah. There's just a couple of spots still there. I'm not sure if those are rust or if they're just inclusion marks. I need to give it a clean, but look at the difference on that. Just a couple of minutes. Let's try this side. Amazing. Look at the difference on that. Incredible. Let's get that end. There we go. What a difference. And no chemicals. Amazing. Give it a go at home.